hey buddy, what's up? Today, what we doing today? We gonna do an update on the Charlie Mack build. Okay, what you got there? This is my Molotov masking pen.
3 days later.
I've had it for a while. I'm just not using it though. Is that why you're shaking it like that? You gotta make sure that it's thoroughly mixed through and through. Okay. I mean, you don't want it to be, messed up. Yeah, you really don't want it to be messed up. So I'm using it to mask off these hood pin holes. Now, I don't know if this is a new product. I've never seen it. The first time I seen it in our Hobby Lobby. Just paint. Okay. So anyway, it's a flat black. It is. I went ahead and sprayed the underside of the hood. And I'm letting that dry. Then I'm gonna get the top side of the hood. Oh, so this is the hood replacement. Yeah, because you messed up that other hood, right? Wait, what? Anyway, I'm gonna scrape off the mask with my trusty hobby knife. Be careful. You don't want to mess this one up. You're hilarious. I know, right? Yeah, whatever. So here's the hood with the hood pin holes. That looked pretty good. Here's the old hood that my trusty colleague was just reminding you guys about. I'm just being real. Now the black is bare metal foil. I didn't mess up on that part. I just messed up by cutting too much off at the end part. We know. Anyway, I found out that muscle car hoods are flat black to cut down on the glare from the sun when I'm racing. And also, when you buy an aftermarket hood, most of the time they come in black. Well, isn't that interesting? There you go. For the record, here we go. The flat black one, it looks perfect. It looks great. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, no problem. So here's the dash. I can't really zoom in on the detail because it just blurs out, but it has detail. Just trust me. Trust you. Here's what it looked like with the tub all made up and everything. I just don't have the center console and a seatbelt. Seatbelts? Who need those? And so yeah, my glass. The glass. It was kind of totally messed up, ruined, blotchy or whatever. Garbage. After I had dyed it. Wait, my bad. I dyed it with the iPoly. Yeah, I remember. Green. So I went ahead and used this polishing system by Novus. Okay. How did that work out for you? It worked really good. I would suggest this. It's supposed to be a scratch remover, but I just used it to polish up my glass, and it worked out perfectly. Speaking of glass, show them those things you bought. What things? Oh, you mean the glasses? Yeah. Oh, well, anyway, he's talking about these glasses right here. Oh man, you look so silly. Magnifiers. Look at you. These work perfectly. You look so dumb. I actually looked at some of my work after getting these, and I was totally embarrassed. So, yeah, get these unless you're a perfectionist. So what happened when you saw some of your old stuff? I almost sent them back to Amazon. So here's my motor. Oh, thank you, sir. You're too kind.
There is nothing wrong with your television set. Do not attempt to adjust the picture. We are controlling transmission.
Here's my interior bucket. Okay, that's nice. With the center console, with the Hearst shifter installed. I got my steering wheel and everything. Only thing I'm lacking is my seat belts, but that's coming. So it's gonna look real nice with the seat belts. So with that, I'm gonna wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will. And, as always, I didn't say nothing that time.